Let's calculate the value of 2.934 all raised to the power of 3 using logarithm tables and law of indices. Solution. Let's rewrite the number 2.934 all raised to the power of 3. Now the first thing, we express this as 10 raised to the power of a particular value. So we have 10 raised to the power of, now let's figure that out. To find what value we need to have here to give back 2.934, we take the logarithm of 2.934. Now to do this, for the integer part, for the whole number part, we express this in standard form. 2.934 equals 2.934 times 10 raised to the power of 0. So this integer would be what we'll be writing down here is 0. Now we use our four-figure table and look for the value of 29 under 3 difference 4. And when you check your 29 under 3, we have 4669. Difference 4 gives a value of 5, so we add it up with 5. This gives us 4675. So that means log of 2.934 would be 0.4675. And that means 10 raised to the power of 0.4675 would give 2.934. Then we have raised to the power of 3. Now this power, using law of indices, this is the same thing as whenever we have x raised to the power of a or raised to the power of b, it means x raised to the power of a multiplied by b by multiplying the power. So we apply the same law here. We have 10 raised to the power of 0.4675 multiplied by 3, and here let's calculate that at the side, multiplied by 3. 5 times 1, 15, we write 5, take 1. 7 times 3, 21 plus 1, 22, write 2, take 2. 6 multiplied by 3, 18 plus 2, 20. So that's 0, we take 2. 4 multiplied by 3, that's 12, plus 2, 14. So we have 4. Then 3 multiplied by 0, 0, plus the one we brought here, 1. So that means we have 1.4025. 1.4025. And this is the same thing as the antilog of 1.4025. To find this value, we only take the reading of 40 under 2 difference 5 under the antilog table. And 40 under 2 gives 2483. Difference 5 gives a value of 3. So when we add the last digit together, we have 6. And this integer part here determines where the decimal place is going to be. Since we have 1 here, the decimal point will be after the first 2 digits, that is 1, 2. And the decimal point comes here. And this becomes the final answer of 2.934 all raised to the power of 3. Thank you.